Hey guys, Koala Master here, and today, my dad got some dry ice in this package, so we thought that we might put it in some water. Do you see that fog that's coming out of it? That is the solid form of, carbon dioxide. It is not actually solid. As you see, it just disappears when it hits the ground. It sort of looks like water, though, when it splashes. Like, it looks like it's splashing, but, okay. So, I think we need a little bit more new water. So, let me... Oh gosh. Okay, turn the water on. Push it back just a little bit. As you see, it starts to fog up a whole ton more. So, let's put this down. And I have this mask here. Will it do anything? There. It's starting to come out. Wait. What happened to it? Oh. Wait. Oh, no. No. The ice melted. It's melting a little bit. Well, as you see here, this is a solid form of carbon dioxide. Plants, this is really healthy for plants. See, like, if I hold it over here, you can see, actually, wait, let's blur. Oh gosh. Okay, and then if I bring it over here, spray that around. Look, it's already growing buds. Magical. You can breathe this in, it's just a little bit hard to. Yeah, it's a little bit hard to breathe in, and it's a little bit hard to breathe out, but it is very easy. Well, it's sort of hard, I guess. Plus, there's something I wanted to show you guys, rather than this. Here. It's something that me and my papa made at his house. Okay, so... guess what it is. Put in the comments what you think it is right now. You ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1. It's a 20 subscriber play button that I made. Me and Papa did. Me and my Papa. So I think it's just really cool. It attached a hanger to the back so we could hang it up somewhere. Like, it's not really a good place to hang it up, like right here, I guess, but not really. Oh yeah, here. I could hang it up on my door. Yeah. Back to the actual video now, though. So, what my dad did was hold in the dry ice. Ow. It does burn if you touch it for too long. It hurts really bad. Okay. Pouring out the water. Wait, no, that's only steam. Good, the dry ice is still in there. Turn the water on. Put it in there. Put it in the cup. Oh gosh, that's cold water. Let me figure out which one is hot water first. Is this hot water? Yeah. There, it works best. Oh, no, that's cold water. I can't remember. This one hot water. And it has disintegrated. It disintegrated when I was pouring. Oh no. Oh no. I did not know that it would disintegrate. Well, please like and subscribe for more. And I guess I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!